You want to learn to program. How do you do it? Here's what I think. Step 1. Set up an environment where you can program. This means get a text editor and an implementation of some programming language. People have all kinds of hot opinions about what's best here, but it really doesn't matter very much. Doing anything is better than sitting around doing nothing, trying to find the perfect tools to use. Just don't worry about it. You can figure out what you like most over time. If you need me to choose for you, just download Python to run your code and Notepad++ or something to write it. It's time to program. Step 2. Pick something to create and try to create it. I think clones of old games are great for this since they give you a clear goal. It's also kind of fun to make a little game. For example, I think a good project is to try to make Pong, Breakout, Tetris, or Pac-Man. You might be asking, wait, I haven't learned how to do anything yet. You made me download this Python thing and didn't tell me anything about it. Well, that's programming. You think programmers sit down and know everything in advance, just type it all out as fast as they can? Programming, the skill called programming, is figuring stuff out and learning new things. I can help point you in the right direction, but ultimately it's up to you to try things and make mistakes. It's time to noodle around a little bit. If you're using Python like I suggested earlier, here are some good places to start. There's an official language tutorial on the Python website. Reading the first few chapters will teach you the basics, but don't worry too much about reading in great detail and trying to understand everything entirely. Some things will make a lot more sense as you start using them. It's best to try to program right from the start. When you run into something you don't know how to do, then you can read a little bit. The most important thing to do when learning programming is to program a lot, as much as possible. Eventually you'll run into things that are outside the scope of the tutorial. Start looking up how to do more stuff. For example, if you're trying to do graphics for your Tetris clone, let's say, you should start Googling stuff like, how do I do graphics in Python? You won't necessarily find the perfect solution, but you know what they say, perfect is the enemy of good. Step 3. Stop looking up tutorials on YouTube. You probably found this video by searching how to learn programming or something. You could spend all day on YouTube watching videos about learning programming. Stop that. Go program. Go learn. Stop watching videos about learning. Ignore videos, podcasts, AI, courses, all that stuff, right? What are you doing listening to videos all day? Why are you listening to me? I'm just some guy. Step 4. Program and keep looking stuff up. Keep learning new things. Step I for all other I. Program and keep looking stuff up and learning new things. Just keep programming. Programming is unique in that you can practice the real deal on your own at any time. Imagine you're learning civil engineering. You want to learn how to build bridges or something like this. You have to learn how to do all this laborious stuff. You're building model bridges. You're doing simulations. I don't know how this stuff works. In programming, you can just build the real bridge. You can just build the real thing. And if it falls over and collapses, it's no big deal. Just try again. Just try again with lessons learned. Use this to your advantage. Program as much as you can. Ignore memes online and just program. If you have questions, I stream twice a week here. Links in the description. Okay, thank you. Love you. Bye.